Welcome to my channel. My name is Karen. Today we are going to make cucumbers, felt fabric cucumbers. They are very easy to make. Enjoy the video. You need paper, pencil, scissors, stuffing, yarn, felt fabric, and needle and thread. Draw a cucumber. Cut. Take your felt fabric, fold, and pin. Cut. This is how I use my scrap fabric. Keep your scrap fabric. Remove pins. Keep this. Take this. Needle and thread. From here, do a blanket stitch like this. Leave a space, needle, 1, 2, 3, and pull. Leave a space, needle, 1, 2, pull. Okay, this way and stop here. Do not sew here and start from here up to this point. Okay, stop here and go to this side. Take your needle and thread and do a running stitch here right round. Like that and pull. After pulling, secure the thread and roll. Open. Take your stuffing and insert. Okay, it's done like that. So now here, running stitch right round. Pull. and again roll. It's done. So take your yarn, yellow yarn. Okay, do this. Make a knot. Okay, so take this and put here and sew. Okay, it's done. Now take your needle and do this. Okay, it's done. Our cucumber is looking nice. Our cucumber is looking nice. You can use this as a decoration in your house, or if you have kids, you can use this as a toy. Like this, decoration. If you are interested in this, you can check out my previous video. Maita basane kuona. Thank you for watching. Mite kurete arigato. Bye.